Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be covering how to get photography clients for your freelance work. I myself am a freelance food photographer, so I'm always looking out for clients, but I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to get started. Number 1, start doing work for free. I'm sure you guys do not like the word free just like me, but if you have nothing to show for your potential clients, they won't be able to know what you can offer. As a start, you can ask your friends or families for references for small companies or small bakeries who want their photos taken for free. Offering yourself up for free not only allows you to build your portfolio, but it allows you to build your confidence and allows you to make mistakes at almost no expense. So having your first shot, you will have some photos to work with which you can edit and put it up to your online portfolio. Which brings me up to number 2. Do up a simple website to put yourself out there. After doing your first shoot, put some of your best photos out there to be able to share with your clients what you can do. Of course, it would not be the best, but it's better than putting up nothing. So do up a simple website either from Wix or Squarespace. There are tons of websites out there that allows you to be able to do for free on their platform. So be it going for their trial or just doing it on a simple website, allows you to put your work out there. If you do not like a website, you can just simply do a Facebook page. Number 3, maintain a good relationship with your clients. If you've already done the free shoot for your first client, do build a good relationship with that client. Let your client know that after the first shoot, you will need to charge a small amount for the subsequent shoots. Check in with your other clients once in a while if they need photography services. Create a Facebook group and keep your photos up to date there so that your clients or people who are interested in your photography are able to know what is up to date. Number 4, make good offers. Be it putting up in an ad or follow up your clients, let them know that you do something very special for them. So usually if you are charging your clients $200, let your client know that you're able to charge them $190 just because you enjoy working with them. $10 might not be a lot, but it shows that you care for your clients and you give them special attention. Number 5, last but not least, hustle. I know this is an overused word, but you just got to put in the work and the hours to be able to make your portfolio better. Seek out clients on different platforms or even by word of mouth to be able to build your portfolio better. Watch different YouTubes to be able to give you different ideas on different techniques that you can improve on your food photography. I myself have learned tons from YouTube from all their videos. So overall, be it food photography, events photography or any kind of photography, there's resources out there, so keep yourself up to date with them. So I hope you guys like my 5 tips on how to get photography clients. So please leave down in the comments below on your thoughts on this video and some other steps that you can recommend for other people watching this video. Please like and subscribe so that you can keep up to date with my content. If not, I'll see you in the next video.